On Tuesday, May 28, 2024, Preparedness Fuel Trading Company Limited conducted a comprehensive hurricane preparedness drill. This critical exercise showcased our unwavering commitment to safety and the continuous supply of fuel to Trinidad and Tobago. Members of our incident management team actively participated in the drill, reviewing and testing all contingency measures. This is essential to safeguard operations and ensuring the well-being of our personnel during extreme weather events. We were honored to collaborate with external stakeholders from the Southwest Regional Health Authority, SWRHA, and the Cova Tabaqui Talparo Regional Corporation, CTTRC. Their presence and cooperation highlight the importance of a coordinated response in disaster preparedness. The drill focused on our ability to implement effective contingency measures before a hurricane strikes, from securing equipment and facilities to maintaining robust communication channels. Every detail was meticulously planned and executed. At Preparedness Fuel Trading Company Limited, safety and preparedness are our top priorities. Our employees are trained to respond swiftly and effectively, minimizing risks and ensuring our operations continue seamlessly, even under the most challenging conditions. The insights and feedbacks gained from this drill are invaluable. By working closely with SWRHA and CTTRC, we can refine our strategies and enhance our preparedness, ensuring we are ready to face the challenges posed by hurricanes. Preparedness Fuel Trading Company Limited remains dedicated to the safety and well-being of our employees, partners, and the communities we serve. Through rigorous preparedness drills and collaborative efforts, we stand resilient, ensuring a continuous supply of fuel to Trinidad and Tobago.